Oh, start recording. Oh, start recording.
Maybe repeat about the connect webcam maybe question next if I'm happy.
Ọ̀nà ìkọ̀jẹ́ tó píkì kọ́ ra bí wọ́n bá tiẹ̀ ń pè yàn á píkì kọ́.
Kò tiẹ̀ báyìí kò bọ́dà. Kò ti kú nìyẹn wá.
Kò pé eléyìí lọ ó lọ. Webcam kọ́ mi rí webcam.
Ẹ̀ka wà ń bẹ. Kí máa gbé kọ́ ṣé ó rò láńgbò yẹn just wasting someone's time yìí kò tiẹ̀ mind gan.
Ébò ni mo tiẹ̀ ń pè é ṣe bá tẹ̀ ó tẹ̀ ṣe ń bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ gan lẹ́ẹ̀kan gan mo ń wò pé Mr. Ọpẹ́ kó dà wá lóhùn kí the rate tó wá ṣe máa mú kóun ṣe máa move wọ́n respect pé the same rate yẹn láti máa move kò dẹ̀ possible.
Ṣèbó yẹ kó fún animanu àbáyọ tá à ń tẹ̀lé yẹn ló yẹ kó máa kàn but kò fún animanu kò fún amanu.
Ẹ̀pẹ́ streamline yẹn lọ báyìí sọ́rí.
Ó ń lọ náà.
Ibi ìgàn ní kókó tó bá ti rí tíbi bá ti move on capture everything wà lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé kí n pè Anna pé kó login kó wò ó? Káàfin yẹn lè jẹ́ kó máa ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Máa yóò ṣe dá yẹn kò ṣe dá kò ṣe dá. At least you be able to be consigned there. Kó wà consigned.
Webcam yẹn kọ́ mi rí webcam mọ́ for sure. Ó yá login sí school website kó lọ wò wá. Ó yá down torí mo pe Ọpẹ́ báyìí kò pick call wa mọ́ kàkà wò ó yá sáf kò tí rí wa ó kàn drop everything sílẹ̀ fún wa ní ó yá kò wò wá.
This thing is working live now.
Torí ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ live nísìn it's working now ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ live now torí èmi gan mọ̀ pé ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ live now. Nobody needs to tell me now that ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ torí network yìí connect bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀gbìn network yìí bí nǹkan fẹ́ dájú bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. It's working o kilo báyìí. Hello Mr. Ọpẹ́ ṣe ti rí wa sà. Oh sorry òun ni mo fi wọ́n náà rí wa iṣẹ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n báwo mọ̀
Ẹ ṣe dá o.
Irọ́ ẹ má bínú.
Látàárọ̀ adéwájú pé látàárọ̀.
Okay, I can see you continue. You are live. Stop calling. Go to school website. You will see yourself. Use the webcam. Minimize the OBS. Wọ́n ní ká minimize OBS. Okay. No, ẹ mọ̀ pé fóònù yẹn ni mò ń lò láti mo gbọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Minimize OBS. Minimize OBS. Mo ti ní kí Anna kó login sí school. Kí Anna kó login. Yes.
Ó gbúdọ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ lè ní sẹ́. Must work.
Minimize the OBS. Ó kọ́ tẹ̀ ń gbọ́ wa. I can see you continue. Okay, gbé kẹ́mísìrì bí wá jẹ́ kí gbàgbé lọ́gbù wá tọ́n webcam yẹn sí mi tọ́n ẹ̀ sí mi.
Ilé ìlà ń lò.
Kí là ń lò?
Okay, let's use this one then. Ilé ìlà ń lò.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, Mr. Ọpẹ́, I want to teach you chemistry. Scheme,
Scheme of work.
Scheme of work. I can hear you live and direct. Mr. Okwe, yes. I want to teach you chemistry. Scheme of work for third term SS2 chemistry.
Week 1.
Now, you draw a table.
A table of 3 columns.
Of 3 columns. Then the topics for the column. Weeks, topics, and subtopic. Now, under the week 1. Week 1 under topics, now revision. Week 2 under topics, orbitals and electronic structure of atoms. Orbitals and electronic structure of atoms. Under subtopic, under week 2, subtopic 1, discovery of atom, subatomic particle structure. That is subtopic 1. Subtopic 2, nature of light. Subtopic 3, light as a single spectrum. Now, week 3 now, orbitals and electronic structure of atom continued.
Okay.
Then under subtopic, definition of orbitals, that is subtopic 1. Subtopic 2, quantum number. Subtopic 3, shapes of orbitals. Subtopic 4, arrangement of electron in energy level. Now, week 4, nuclear chemistry or radioactivity. Now, subtopic 1, definition of radioactivity. Subtopic 2, types of radiation. Subtopic 3, characteristics of radioactivity. Subtopic 4, detection of radiation. Subtopic 5, radioactive changes and nuclear stability. Radioactive decay, that is subtopic 6. Now, week 5, nuclear chemistry / radioactivity continued. Now, under week 5, subtopic 1, definition of nuclear energy. Subtopic 2, types of nuclear changes. Subtopic 3, nuclear fusion and fission. Subtopic 4, uses of radioactive isotopes. Now, week 6. Now, under topics, chemical bonding. Chemical bonding. Mr. Okwe, hope you are listening to the chemistry. Move. Okay. Hope you are listening to the chemistry. Hope you are listening to me very well. Okay, I can get you. Okay. Now, week 6 now, under subtopic, definition of chemical bonding. That is number 1, subtopic 1. Subtopic 2, hybridization. Subtopic 3, shapes of simple molecules. Subtopic 4, structure of crystal lattice. Structure of crystal lattice. Now, week 7, metals and their compounds. These metals and their compounds. These metal compounds.
Okay. What you said? I'm hearing you, sir. Can you next? Okay. No. Okay. That is good. We are hearing you. So, okay.
Okay, week 7.
Maybe network. Okay, check your side. Maybe. Okay. But notice board delay.
Notice board indication board.
It's not. And we have a basket. And then we have a broom. We have a dustbin. Yes,
notice board. You read.
Notice board. This is notice board.
You ready?
Maybe it's network. Let's check. Maybe it's network. Okay, that's good. Then what is the next? And it was a school website. We might read this thing that is teaching now. Alright, that's good. Okay.
Okay, okay, let me continue. All week right. 7, metals and their compound will take us for 4 weeks. Under metals as in a compound, week 7, definition, subtopic definition of metals, properties of metals, reactivities of metals, principles of metals, and their extraction. Now, week 8, we are going to discuss sodium and its compound. Sodium and its compound. We are going to discuss the general name. We are going to discuss the properties of sodium. We are going to discuss extraction of sodium. We are going to discuss uses of sodium. And we are going to discuss compounds of sodium. Now, week 9, we are going to discuss calcium and its compound. We are going to discuss the general name. We are going to discuss the property of calcium. We are going to discuss extraction of calcium. We are going to discuss uses of calcium. We are going to discuss compounds of calcium. Now, the same thing under week 9, we are going to discuss aluminium as one of the important metals to be discussed by WAEC and NECO. Now, under aluminium, we are going to discuss the properties of aluminium. We are going to discuss extraction of aluminium. We are going to discuss uses of aluminium. We are going to discuss compounds of aluminium. Now, week 10, under metals and its compound again, subtopic, we are going to discuss transition metals. You know, transition metals is in between group 2 and group 3 elements. So we are to discuss all the transition metals. Now, under transition metals subtopic now, we are going to discuss the properties of transition metals. We are going to discuss extraction of transition metals. Then under it, we are going to discuss iron comprehensively according to the external curriculum. We are to discuss extraction of iron, types of iron, uses of iron, compound of iron. Then under transition metal, we are to discuss alloy. We are going to discuss the composition of alloy and their uses. Then week 11 is on practical now. We're going to discuss practical. Under that practical, we are going to discuss volumetric analysis, which is called titration. So it's called titration. How we titrate acid against base, strong acid against strong acid, strong acid against weak base, and we are going to discuss various indicators used during this volumetric analysis, which is called titration. Then under practicals also, we are going to discuss quantitative analysis. That is how to test for cations and anions as it is discussed. So week 11 is also revision, while week 12 is examination. Now, today let us go straight to week 1. Orbitals and electronic structure. I believe all the students, you are listening to me and watching me carefully. Now, the topic says orbitals and electronic structure. Now, let me tell you one thing. When we are talking about orbitals and electronic structure, the first thing we have to do is to define what is the meaning of atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals, according to the literary meaning, it is two words that join together now to give us atomic orbitals. Now, what is atomic orbital? Atomic orbital is a region in space where there is high probability of finding an electron. How does this definition come into reality? This definition comes into reality under the structure of atom. Atom is made up of 3 particles: the protons, the neutrons, and the electrons. And we are made to know that the electrons are not found inside the atom, but it revolves around the orbit. And that is why we define atomic orbital as a region in space where there is high probability of finding an electron. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, Mr. Tista. You are welcome. Sir? So we go to streamlining, we go to this place, then we say stop live streamlining.
Oh, okay. Now, let us continue with our class. Now, Now, there are some scientists that discuss atomic orbitals and the electronic structure. Now, let me make me to understand something. When we are talking about orbitals and electronic structure, it is the numbers of atoms